Hello everybody! Hey Son! Hello Mikey! Hey Devi! Hey Jay!
Hi.
Today we are making our stage design for our church. This looks like square nga cardboards, but these are corrugated plastic na squares we bought at Shopee for this amount of money right here. But here's our process of doing our stage design. Ito is a simple na string, yarn-like na string, and then bubutasan lang ni Sir Anderson sa gitna. Yun. And then look at Mikey with her tricks. And then J-Reel here is inserting this one sa butas. And then Dev is doing all of the loops doon, or yung mga
Sikot sa Tagalog ba?
basta she's doing that. Yun, para hindi mag-slip yung yung cardboard na squares. Yun. It will look like this. Yun. So when you lift it, ganun.
Tie.
Right? So you would tie it sa baba para hindi siya malaglag. Yun, that's basically the process of what we're doing here. Here we go. Latag na, latag. Okay. Tapos that's how it would look like, you know. Nakahang lang siya. So, we are done, no? Pagkabit ng stage design. But we have one dilemma kasi natatanggal siya kasi hindi solid yung ceiling namin. Hardiflex pala to. So, walang wood na nandun sa taas. So, walang pagkakabitan ng thumbtacks yung gamit namin. So, right now, we're going to just check it out to try kung anong itsura niya. But in a while, punta kami sa DIY to buy some hooks yung na didikit lang sa ceiling so that mas sturdy siya. Kasi especially yung stage namin dito, may mga bata na easily can just go up the stage and baka hilahin. So, hindi siya magiging as sturdy as we want it to be. So, yun yung mangyayari. Hook yung gagawin namin. So, as you can see, this is how it looks like now. Sa gitna muna. Okay? Ganun yung Later on, we will fill up all of these sides with yung stage design natin. By the way, the lights na control that we're using is a computer. Tapos, ito lang. Naka-DMX na interface to the computer laptop. Pero ang ginamit namin, bumili si Anderson ng touchscreen na monitor. Ayan, to control that. So, here's the magic reveal. The super reveal. 1, 2, 3, go! Yan. Let's see how it looks like dun. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the lights para mas ma-emphasize siya. Yun. So, hindi pa na-arrange yung mga fixtures actually, but it looks great. Looks great to us. Advantage of using this material, yung plastic, is it reflects light very nice. So, yun. Yan yung kinalabasan. Right. Looks great. So, arrange lang muna ni Anderson. So, ayun. Bumili kami ng hooks. Ito na. DIY lang. Mr. DIY, shout out, no? If you want to buy something you don't need, doon ka pupunta. But these are really cheap. 39 pesos per set. So, ito. 6 for 39 pesos. So, yun. Lalagay namin siya. Ito yung tig-isa. So, for one ganito, isang ganito. This will go here, dito sa side na area. So, let's do this. Let's go! This is how it looks like without the lights. Ready! 3. Wow!
That's it.
Wow, man. Wow. Looks great, man. Looks great.
Reality bites.
Woo! Come on!
Nice. It looks
To those who love God, to those who are called according to His plan and purpose. In other words, even in the face of adversity,
Bye.